Quick video on replacing that module. It's under that red distributor, been replaced, got it cranked up and running. This is a 93 Chevrolet truck. Show you now that it runs. After putting that module in there. Truck cranks and run now. That module will allow that spark plug to throw that distributor to throw a spark to that spark plug, but it won't allow those injector pumps to get on time to crank this truck up, or these type vehicles. So if you got a car that's turning over, and it won't crank, and you're getting fire, it's probably going to be because the module done gone bad. Show you this module. The one I took out, I'm gonna go ahead on the trash. That may be a fix to it. It may be a way to fix that module, I don't know. But it's just so cheap, it ain't even worth fooling with. $12 and $15 on eBay and Amazon. But hopefully that'll help somebody later.